Hey guys, if people in your house like to eat different things, like this is a pork medallion here, and this is sort of like a chicken kind of filet pastry mixed with a bit of bacon. It can be tricky to cook these things, but if you've got one of these things, it's a piece of cake. Just pop this into the tray, and this guy too, and I'm going to go with a temperature of maybe about 190. We'll see how that goes. Might be a little bit warm, and we'll give it a crack. See how it looks in maybe 10 minutes. Boom. Hello. Let's get a little bit of this. That's beautiful stuff there. Some accompaniments. Ooh, looking pretty good in there. Mashed potatoes down below. Right. Got my steaks. I always want to rinse this right away. So there we have our chicken meal, our pork medallion, and a couple of really nice looking Scotch fillet steak. So that's how our steak ended up, just beautiful medium rare. And this is the pork medallion, again just perfectly cooked. Cooked to perfection.
There's a lot of spinach in it, man.
That is so tender.